If passive voice in English has ever felt confusing or hard to use when you speak, this practice is for you. You don't need to remember grammar rules. You don't need to study formulas. You will learn passive voice by hearing it, repeating it, and feeling it. This kind of practice helps you sound more natural, more fluent, and more confident when you speak English. Passive voice is used every day in real conversations, at work, in emails, and in daily life. So relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Listen first, then speak with me. The email was sent this morning. The email was sent this morning. The message was received. The message was received. The meeting was canceled. The meeting was canceled. The decision was already made. The decision was already made. When you repeat these sentences, your brain learns the structure naturally. The plan was changed. The plan was changed. The request was approved. The request was approved. Passive voice is calm. Passive voice is neutral. Passive voice is polite. The email was misunderstood. The email was misunderstood. The order was delayed. The order was delayed. The situation was handled well. The situation was handled well. You don't need to sound aggressive. The package was delivered today. The package was delivered today. The room was cleaned. The room was cleaned. The problem was solved. The problem was solved. Passive voice helps you focus on the action, not the person. The report was finished on time. The report was finished on time. The documents were signed. The documents were signed. The appointment was confirmed. The appointment was confirmed. You don't need to think about who did it. You just describe what happened. The rules were explained clearly. The rules were explained clearly. The task was completed successfully. The task was completed successfully. The issue was discussed earlier. The issue was discussed earlier. Shadowing like this trains you to speak without hesitation. The mistake was fixed quickly. The mistake was fixed quickly. You don't need to sound emotional. Passive voice helps you sound professional. The instructions were followed carefully. The instructions were followed carefully. The information was shared earlier. The information was shared earlier. The issue was resolved. The issue was resolved. Each time you repeat these sentences, your confidence grows. I don't need to translate in my head. I don't need to translate in my head. I can speak one sentence at a time. I can speak one sentence at a time. I am learning passive voice naturally. I am learning passive voice naturally. I don't need perfect grammar. I don't need perfect grammar. I just need practice. I just need practice. Take one more slow breath in and breathe out. The more you repeat this practice, the easier passive voice will feel. If you want more calm English speaking practice like this, including passive voice, daily conversations, and pronunciation, you'll find many more videos on this channel. Practice a little every day and watch your English become clearer and more confident.